This guy got the worst news of his life when he saw his car completely covered in bird droppings. He couldn't believe it. To make sure it was real, he even checked it up close. After realizing what happened, he went to check the security cameras, and he discovered it was actually his best friend behind it. So he immediately started planning his revenge. Knowing how far he wanted to take it, he bought 3,000 kilos of ice. Then he turned it into snow and covered his best friend's car with it. After that, he rang the doorbell. The moment his friend saw what happened to his new car, he went crazy. Since he had no idea who did it, he swore he would do the same thing to everyone who doesn't leave a like.